on, kids, let's sing the ABC song together.
Let's go! A is for apple, red and brown. B is for ball, it rolls on the ground. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for dog with 4 happy feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish swimming all day. G is for gold climbing so high. H is for hat reaching the sky. Whoosh! I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. B, J is for jelly, shiny and bold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a roar in the sky. Roar! I is for music, let's sing along. N is for nice, fresh, shining strong. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for panda, cookie and light. Giggle. Q is for queen wearing her crown. R is for rabbit hopping up and down. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging with might. U is for umbrella keeping off rain. Z is for violin playing the tunes. W for whale splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone music for you and me. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Great job, kids, and sing with me. We've learned our letters A to Z.